Hi, my name is Razina Banu binti Muhammad Faizati Shelburne and my metric number is J21A0945. I would like to do a presentation based on the industry talk given. Firstly, I'm going to start about the company background. The company is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise (MSMEs) are integral to the economic development and growth of Asian member states. Allowing for different definitions, there are 70 million MSMEs in Asia, accounting for 97.2% to 99.9% of establishment in Asian member states. Where data is available, the micro enterprises often constitute the largest share of enterprises. Regionally, the MSMEs contribute 85% to employment, 44.8% to GDP, and 18% to national exports. These figures indicate that MSMEs play important roles to economic and social development, contributing to value-added activities, innovation, and inclusive growth through the creation of job opportunities and their widespread presence in both urban and rural areas. MSMEs are thus the backbone of Asia and are fundamental towards achieving long-run and sustainable economic growth and in narrowing the development gap. Thank you.
MSMEs has their own vision, mission, and objectives. Their mission is to create a holistic and conducive entrepreneurship ecosystem for sustainable, balanced, and inclusive socio-economic development in Malaysia, while their vision is to make sure Malaysia a united, prosperous, and dignified entrepreneurial nation. The objective of MSME is setting direction of the country's entrepreneurship development, inculcating Malaysian community with entrepreneurial mindset and values, strengthening entrepreneurship ecosystem of the country, enhancing access to financing, facilitating access to domestic and international market, providing supportive ecosystem for cooperative development, and lastly, providing entrepreneurial support and assistance as well as capacity building.
So, next slide, I will talk about transforming micro, small and medium enterprise as the new driver of growth. It is to boost capabilities of entrepreneur and enterprise by number one, creating innovative and sustainable enterprise. Companies undertake sustainability entrepreneurship for a variety of reasons, including to enhance their brand name and reputation, and to benefit financially by being market leaders in business practice that reduce environmental and societal impacts in their sphere of operating influence. They also engage in sustainability entrepreneurship to affect positive societal change. Next, promoting inclusive participation through MSME, cooperatives and agriculture-based associations. It is because outreach programs will be intensified in boosting entrepreneurial capability and skill among youth, Bumiputra and specific groups. Finally, creating a conducive and holistic ecosystem for entrepreneurship. This is because entrepreneurial ecosystem drives local economic vibrancy and national economic growth by building fertile environments for new and growing companies to thrive. Next, I will explain about the current challenges facing by the worldwide country, including Malaysia. Firstly, the COVID-19 not yet fully recovered due to the emergence of vaccine-resistant variants. This causes the borders of some countries have not been fully opened. In addition, adoption of new business norms is still moderate. Next, ongoing geopolitical conflicts such as conflicts between Ukraine and Russia causing trade restriction, supply chain disruption, and commodity price shocks. Other than that, we also facing elevated costs and price pressures, such as rising cost of living and an increase in the inflation rate. Finally, the natural disaster threat, such as the increase of flood incidents, has slowed down the government effort to revitalize the country economy.
Are several suggestion strategies used to wealth creation. First one is strengthen the implementation of vendors development program. This can help to increase the participation of new entrants from government-linked companies, GLCs, public list companies, PLCs, vendor champion and private companies. It also can create multiplied tiers among Bumiputra vendors. Moreover, MSMEs also can expand their key potential area from high growth industry sectors such as aerospace, automotive, rail, renewable energy, medical device, biotechnology, halal industry. Second, for the suggestion used to wealth creation is enhance entrepreneurship skill and capabilities of MSME. Government needs to provide training and development programs related to Industry 4.0, which are strategy management, certification, marketing and branding, packaging, product development, and e-commerce. Other than that, MSMEs needs to learn targeted support and facilitation for them to venture into new and high potential sectors. Lastly, it can enhance the capacity of building programs that emphasize competitive mindset and international strategy. It also can enhance financial literacy program, particularly for micro and small industry. Last point is provision of targeted support for market access, especially for Bumiputra MSMEs. MSMEs need to provide access to various e-commerce platforms to promote and market their products. This suggestion can intensify product access for MSMEs into wholesale and retail outlets. They also can leverage government procurement to prioritize local product and services. It facilitates regulatory compliance, certification, and accreditation for MSMEs. Besides that, the government should intensify promotion of local product and service at strategic location and entry points. As the result of this suggestion, small business owners should be able to increase the quality of their commercial product. With this, MSMEs can hopefully achieve the opportunities in the business world that they can go further, such as abroad. The country should also ensure that small traders are not marginalized in order for them to market more high quality products that fulfill human needs.
In the conclusions, MSME are the game changer of Malaysia's future economic growth and position in global supply chain. The culture of Malaysian society with entrepreneurial mindsets and values is critical to elevate Malaysia. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoptions of technology and digitalization among MSME towards more resiliency, sustainable, inclusive and progressive economy driven by knowledge and innovation.